Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to Shito's Mathematics Coaching Program. Before the commencement of today's lecture, I urge you all to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit on the subscribe button to subscribe. Also, you hit on the bell to get the notifications of my videos anytime I drop them. Today we are going to look at another aspect of mathematics, which is circle geometry, but a subtopic under circle geometry. Before you can solve any problem on circle geometry, there are some certain theorems that you need to follow, that you need to know. So now, knowing the theorems that you got to know, we have like about 8 theorems in solving any problem in circle geometry. So knowing all the theorems and understand them very well, so you'll be able to solve any kind of problem you are facing in circle geometry. So today I'm picking one, that is when we find angle inscribed in a semicircle. So that's what we want to do today. That is when you find angle in a semicircle, that is when angle is made. Let's look at this one on the board. Let's say we have this ACB, that is the line ACB is called what is called the diameter. That is, it divides the angle, the circle into two. So now AB, any angle formed or any triangle formed with AB, that is line AB, is called is always equals to 90 degrees. That's what we want to do. So if you find angle in a semicircle, so it is what it is called 90 degrees. That angle is called 90 degrees. So if you look at this angle, you have AB, so you have BQR. You will see that this angle P is formed with what? With line AB. If you look at it, A, B, then follow this line, you can see to P. You can see that the P is what? The angle P is formed with AB. Look at the Q also. You see that if you put your two hands here, your finger here, trace it towards to Q, you see that what? Q is made with what? With line AB, which is diameter. Also, if you look at this angle R here, you will see that your AB is what? Is with this R, that is R is what? Formed with what? With this AB, that is diameter. If you trace this one, you can see like this. You can see all these angles are found in what? In a semicircle. You understand? So now we now conclude that the angle B, this angle P, equals to angle Q equals to angle R. This curve represents angle. You understand? This curve, don't be confused. Equals to 90 degrees. So that is what the theorem is trying to tell us, that anytime you find an angle inscribed in a semicircle, the angle is called right angle triangle or 90 degrees. So that is what we have there. Now, so let me give you, let's say we have a particular question that is to solve. Let's say we have this question to solve here. This is a circle. Then we have a diameter BCD, that is B. Why this is what is center D. Then we have one here. You understand? We have one here. So this one is what is A, angle A. Then we have what? We have BDA to be what? To be 23 degree. 23 degree. So now say find, or what is find CBA. CBA. So the step is to find the angle CBA, or let me say DDB what this angle. We try to find this angle here. Understand? So now, what's the next thing to do? So I want to apply this rule or this theorem I just explained to you earlier. So now we want to apply the rule here. So we are given this circle, then with the diameter BD, also with the center C. They now ask us to find this angle. So how could you do that? So you don't need to disturb yourself or give yourself more problem, because understanding this will give you the direct solution to this. So now what's the next thing to do? You look at it, this is the diameter, and we have an angle inside this diameter to be what angle A here. Automatically from what we said there, if you look at this angle A, you'll see that actually notice that this BC is what is the diameter. If it's not a diameter, you are not doing anything. So now having this line to be what? To be your diameter. Now trace this BC, trace this B and D to what? To A. You can see it forms what? It forms a triangle. And this angle A formed with the help of what? Of BD. You understand? Automatically from what we said, A is what? Is 90 degrees. Therefore, you say BAD is 90 degrees. But anytime you apply any theorem or rule in this circle geometry, so you have to state the reason. So now we have angle in a semicircle. So that is the reason. That is BAD is this. So now, so far this is what? This is 90 degrees and this is what? 23 degrees. So you don't need to disturb yourself again, because this is actually triangle, that is in a triangle ABD, A plus B, that is angle B, plus D equals to what? 180 degrees. So this one is what? This one is popular. You understand? So it's every time any geometry, even what do they call it? Even nursery class students will know that the sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. So that's what we are trying to apply here. Understand? So we put the statement also that the reason that A plus B, that is the sum of angles in a triangle, is what is equals to 180 degrees. So now from our diagram here, you can see that our A is what? Is 90 degrees, as we have here, that is BAD, plus B is what? B is, we don't know, is what we are looking for. We are looking for B plus D. What is this? 23 degrees. 23 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So what do we do here? We try to add this and this together. So we had that and that together. So what do you have? You have that one and that together. You have what? You have what? You have B will be equals to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus what? 23 degrees. So now, if you press your calculator or use your head to do that, so what do you have? You have a B to be 67 degrees. Therefore, this place will be 67 degrees. I'm getting it now. So automatically, from what they ask us to find, that you can see this is angle B. So therefore, it's just that you have DBA, that is angle B, is equal to 67 degrees. So now, if you now want to check whether this statement is true, you had this plus this plus this, you must get what? You must get 180 degrees. So now let's do that. So now we have A plus B plus D equals to 180 degrees. What is your A? Our A is what? Is 90. What is B? B is 67 degrees plus what? Plus D is what? Is 23 degrees. So if you try to add this one together, you see that we have 180 degrees. So which is the solution? That is DBA is the solution to this problem. That is the angle they ask us to find. You can see how simple the question is. Don't allow the diagram to fear you or to scare you, no matter how the question is. If you have already gotten the understanding from the theorems we have, you don't need any problem in solving problems here in circle geometry. So that is the end of today's lecture. If you have any question to ask, kindly hit on the comment box and ask. And I am here to give you the possible answer to your question. So I wish you best of luck. And do not forget, haven't you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Please kindly do that. I wish you best of luck. Thanks.